figured out what we're doing today. I'm gonna take Ava to go learn how to drive stick in the Z, possibly make her drift it. We'll see in a second. All right, just got some bangs, headed to the spot. Gonna teach her to drive first, and then if she's able to, see if we can get her to pop off some donuts or something. We're heading there now, and then start it on off. All right, she's gonna learn in this drift lot. So just pay attention to everything I'm doing right now. Lean over to look at my feet. So obviously the brakes in the middle, gas on the right, clutch on the far left.
Do you have to push that in when you do that?
Well look, you push the clutch in. Anytime you're gonna put it in gear, like watch, I'm gonna kill it on purpose right now. If it's in gear and you let out the clutch too fast, it'll just die. So if you're stopped, you always gotta have the clutch in if it's in gear. So if you wanna, look, you always have to have the clutch in if it's in gear. So look, it's in gear right now.
What's gear?
Like first gear. Like this is neutral in the middle, so it's not in any gear. I can let out the clutch and it won't die.
Can you drive like that?
Like what?
Like without it on a gear?
Yeah, so look, you're gonna go to first gear, and then you're gonna give it a little bit of gas, and while you're giving it gas, you just let out the clutch slowly. Just like that, and the car will start rolling. Look, once you're fully rolling, you can let off the clutch. You only have to push in the clutch again when you're gonna stop or change gears. So like if I wanna stop right now, all I gotta do is push in the brake and push the clutch in. That's it.
I'm not coordinated enough for this.
All right, you'll figure it out. Here. Just for everyone watching, she can barely drive an automatic car, so.
That is not true.
All right, so look, scoot the seat up, it's down there.
I don't need to buckle. Where?
On the right, where I'm pointing.
Can I make it higher?
Yeah, well, look, you can
What?
pull the handle over there and it'll pull this back up further.
This?
There'll be a handle furthest back. Just like you'd adjust the seat, there you go.
Okay.
You feel good? Like pushing the clutch, see if your foot goes all the way to the floor.
Is that it?
The clutch is on the left. No, look, put your right foot on the brake. And then
supposed to do that with your left?
Yeah,
That's
you think
wrong.
you can do it? All right, push your foot in the clutch. Is it going all the way back or do you need to scoot up more?
A little more. But then my knee
There you go.
hits
No,
this.
well, just look, it's fine. Push in the clutch now. Now is it good?
Yeah.
All right, so look, you're gonna put the e-brake down.
Do I push it?
Pull it back while pushing in the button.
I can't.
All right, I'll fucking put the e-brake down. All right, now push your foot in the clutch, the left one.
Okay.
You're gonna take this and put it in first gear,
I don't know how to do that.
where it says 1.
1.
Now look, now you're gonna give it a little bit of gas while letting out the clutch at the same time. All right, you're rolling. Hey, but push. All right. I told you to push in the clutch when you're stopping. If you're ever gonna stop, always have the clutch in.
This is too much.
All right. Look, just push the clutch in, put it in neutral. Neutral's in the middle. Yeah, you always know if it's in neutral by doing this.
Okay.
Now turn the car back on while the clutch is in. All right, now put it back in first gear. Do the same thing. Give it a little bit of gas. You can let out the clutch pretty slow. You don't have to do it fast at all. That's pretty fast. Just all right, now to start driving. Just drive like a normal car now.
Okay.
We'll just get you used to it.
This is just doesn't feel right.
You can just turn out right here. So look, when you don't need to yet, we'll get there. But when you go to change gears, keep going, go ahead. When you go to change gears, you're gonna pull in the clutch while letting off the gas. So push the clutch with your left foot. Now put in second gear while pushing in the clutch.
All the way down?
All right, you can let out the clutch, but, okay, Jesus Christ. All right, pull back in here. Put it in neutral with the clutch in, You always gotta use the clutch. Now there you go. There you go, yeah. Now you can just roll, you don't have to have the clutch in.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I feel like something, I'm gonna just like.
Well, if you're not in gear, you're not in gear. You gotta brake. Brake.
Brake.
Okay.
Okay, why is this brake so?
All right, so we'll try it again. Put it in first gear.
It is.
Now, hold on, I'm trying to get this thing to focus. There you go. All right, now push your foot. You can let off the clutch or let off the brake. Give it a little bit of gas.
That's not a little. Why is it so like?
It's Don't worry about that. Just let it out slow, slow.
Griffin, this is so.
You're not doing that bad. You're
How do
honestly
people know
not.
how to do this? Like, actually do this. How do you drift?
We'll get there. All right, so just practice stopping and starting for now, like pushing the clutch again and brake. And there you go. Now, what do you want to do if you want to let the clutch out?
Neutral?
Yeah. Yep, there you go. All right, now take off again.
Oh my God, Griffin, this is too much.
Hey, but no, it's not.
Do it. Okay.
Yep.
Griffin,
It's honestly
so
not, listen, it's honestly not bad when you're doing that. You're just not giving it enough gas. When it's jerking like that, it means you just need to be giving a little bit more gas. All right, so pull back out here. All right, and then stop when you're pointing straight. All right, stop, push the clutch in. And come to complete stop. Just keep practicing taking off. You'll get used to it. You're good. Yeah. Okay, push the clutch in. Push the clutch in. Turn it on.
Oh my God, who designed this to happen?
Someone intelligent. Now,
Unintelligent.
just go ahead. Try it again. Gas.
Gas.
More gas when you're letting off the clutch. Okay, all right. All right, try again. Just give it a little bit of gas and let off the clutch very slow.
Wait, it's already there.
Yeah, you're in gear. Very slow.
Okay.
Go ahead. Slower, slower.
Oh
Pushing the clutch.
I'm going so slow.
Anytime you feel like it's gonna die like that, you just gotta push the clutch back in. You're already on the gas, Ava.
Oopsie.
Pushing the brake. Start over.
What? Oh, what? We were moving?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Let it out. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. A little more gas. When it starts dying like there, that's better. When it starts dying like that, where it sounds like it's gonna like start dying, just give it a little bit of gas.
Okay.
She'll figure it out eventually. We'll check back in another 12 hours. All right, put it in second. You know what to do now. There you go. See? There you go.
I can't do this.
Okay, give me a good one. Give me a good, solid takeoff without being jerky.
Oh. Oops. Okay. I can't do that.
Go ahead.
Okay.
There you go. Keep doing that. There you go. Keep giving it gas.
Oh, that was very jerky.
All right, stop again. We're gonna get this to where she's gonna be able to take off good, and then we're gonna move her on to doing a donut. All right,
yeah.
all right, go ahead, go ahead. Put it in gear, push it in clutch.
This is too much. Griffin, don't.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay.
Hey, but when it starts dying, I keep telling you, give it more gas.
I did.
No, you didn't. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done that.
Well, I did.
All right, go ahead, stop again. We're gonna keep doing this until you get it. Pushing the clutch. All right, stop. Put it in first gear. Go. More gas, more gas. There you go, that was better. You just spun a little bit because we were on that salt.
Uh-oh.
That was better though.
Am I gonna get stuck up here?
Hopefully. Turn in here.
I'm not high enough. How do I actually like raise the seat?
Don't worry about that.
I can't see.
All right, pushing the clutch. Stop. All right, we're gonna let her get a lap on her own. And roll the windows down. Remember everything I said. Go ahead. Exhaust leak sounds horrible. I gotta fix that. Pushing the clutch when it does that. Stop and do it again. Motherfucker looks good. Motherfucker looks good. That was better. I told her just keep stopping and starting until she gets it. Do it again. Keep doing it until you get it. Just go. Turn the heat off. What do you mean you're sweating?
The heat is on.
All right, just start driving the car.
I'm sweating so bad.
Just go. 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 Slower, slower, slower. See, that was the best one you've done all day. All right, turn around. See if she can figure that out. Go, keep going. Stop and do it again. Stop and do it again. No, you're not. Just press the damn brakes. It's a normal car in that sense. Slower. Just remember, slower, slower, even slower, even slower. There you go. Put it in second gear. See, she knows to put it back in first. Damn, that thing looks good for a piece of shit. All right, stop and do it again. Go ahead. Slower. There, that was good. She didn't let off the gas when she switched gears. Now she's figuring it out. Now she's really figuring it out. Gotta turn tighter than that, Junior. There you go. All right, so listen, this is very important. Get in.
Griffin.
Just get in. It's very important that you remember this at all times. If it feels like you're out of control or you're gonna hit something, immediately press the clutch and the brake. Immediately, no matter what, do not forget that, okay?
Okay.
Don't be like, oh, what do I do? Just slam on the clutch and the brake, that's it. All right, so look,
Well, now I have to adjust this.
fix the seat back, put the e-brake down, put the e-brake down, pull it in and then push down. Like pull it back, there you go. Now look, you're gonna turn the wheel all the way left. Look, turn all the way left. Just keep turning it. Keep turning it.
It's all the way.
Okay. Now, pushing the clutch. Push it in first gear. Listen to me. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna rev it as high as it goes and then just drop the clutch as fast as you can.
Griffin, I'm gonna kill myself.
No, you're not. Listen. Just pressing the, oh, there's a cop right there. Hold on a second. That's a cop.
Not a cop, that was a...
It was a Charger cop car and it said police on the side. Oh God. Pause. F-16 flying by.
I might die. This might be my last moment on Earth.
No, you're not gonna die. All right,
Griffin, I can't!
Ava, go ahead. What did I tell you to do?
I don't know. Is it all the way to the left?
Push the clutch all the way in. Push the clutch in.
I can't, Griffin. I can't!
Rev it up really high, and then let out the clutch as fast as you can. Go ahead. All right, push the clutch in. Push the clutch in. Go ahead. All right, push the clutch in. You gonna try it again?
Wait, let me see it.
No,
That was
just
so fun.
just try it one last. Go ahead. But stay on the gas when you're doing it. Stay on. Rev it up high and let the clutch out as fast as you can. Like dump it. Everything I told you. All right, push the clutch in. Oh, that was gangster. All right, go ahead. Rev it. Hey, turn the wheel all the way. Rev it as high as you can. Let the clutch out as fast as you can. All right, push the clutch in. Well, we just wrapped that
This
up.
kid said your brother might just be the coolest person ever.
That's funny. We wrapped that up quick. She learned how to drive, stick, and do donuts in the same day. And this cop kept rolling by, so I figured it's probably time to bounce. Unless we go back and do it again and have a girl without a license get pulled over doing donuts, I think that'd be pretty good clickbait. But tell them how it was, Ava.
Scary. My hair is messed up, but
Are you ready to build a drift car?
yeah, for sure. I'll go home and start.
All right, we're gonna wrap up today. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Our